Baker, the creator of the Asking Formula, and I'm pleased to be coming back to SME to present the Asking Formula to you and hopefully your entire team. It's been several years since I've been to SME, and I'm thrilled to have been invited back. Since then, my program has been delivered on every continent except Antarctica, which it's 14 below right now. It feels like Antarctica. And what we're going to do at that session is go through my formula to learn the best practice possible on how to drive and ask and get what you want. Now, this is more than a lecture. I'm going to actually have each of you focus on an individual situation where you have to ask for what you want. We will use my methodology targeted at that situation so you walk out of SME with a formula ready to apply back at your office or at a client or at a prospect or a banker or with a partner or even in your personal life. It'll be a phenomenal engagement. You'll learn a skill that's new and different, and you'll apply it immediately. The ROI on your time in January will be immediate. I'm looking forward to seeing you there and applying the Asking Formula to your specific personal situation. Talk to you later.